And there we have it, there's my mix finished for Bounce Heavy 41. I hope you enjoyed it. We went hard at the end. That's what I'll be bringing at the end of my festival set. I hope you can join me for my 80th show this summer. It's going to be absolutely insane. We're here on the Bounce Heavy podcast. We're only halfway through. Up next on the guest mix, it's one of the highest selling and most popular artists on my DJ track store, bounceheavydigital.com. He has produced, remixed, bootlegged and edited his way through the biggest and best track he can get his hands on. He's an absolute animal in the studio, so lock it down, turn it up, for the one and only Mr. Bounce.
Everyone has a place to belong. Leeds Building Society. It's better to belong.
I will make no commitments now. I can't let myself lose now. As much as I want.